You're a long-term user of Hasselblad, that's right.
I started off my very first digital Hasselblad. I had to buy one with a 22 megapixel, I can't remember the brand, back.
Yep.
And I paid a lot of money for, in 6 or 8 months time, they would take my camera off me and give me the new 39 megapixel.
Right, yeah.
So that's how long I've been.
Yeah, the Imacon one.
The Imacon back, yeah.
That's it, yep. Okay, so you're now on the H60 and you've got the 50 and the 100, I believe.
Yep.
Okay, and you also mix that in with the X1D2
yep.
as well, the mirrorless. So what would you use for different types of shoots?
In the studio, I'm still the H6, because I've been shooting it so long, it's sort of like it feels like it's attached to me, and I'm tethered in the studio 90% of the time. I really like my workflow with it. I love that camera, so I'm very comfortable working with that. But once I get out of the studio, I want some of the things that we can't do with the old DSLR type system. I want the mirrorless system where I can have more information in viewfinders and more of that, the ability to the iPads and things like that on location. So I tend to use the X much more on location or with using natural light.
Okay, and a question we always get asked is what lenses do you have for each of the cameras? What's in your kit bag?
So I've got a 24, 35, 50, 80, 100, 150 and 300.
Okay.
And I've got the tilt shift adapter.
Yep.
Then with the X, I've got the 45 and 90. I've got the booster, and I've got the non-booster connection for the H lenses.
Yep.
And I do use my 100 a lot on the X. I love it with the booster, brings it down to a 80mm 1.8, and I love shooting at 1.8.